What is up? I am back with another video, and today I'm gonna be fooling with this 3D printer again, y'all. I'm really enjoying the 3D printer. I just had a good workout with my girls this morning. Those of y'all that may not know, I am now an assistant basketball coach, so I am helping with a team of 15 girls. So I just picked up 15 new daughters. Okay, so haven't been too long, got to the shop. I'm going to grab me something so that I can throw it in this oven and cook. But first, let me wash my hands real quick. All right, so I should have grabbed 2 paper towels instead of just that one. All right, so I really been enjoying this 3D printing, y'all. I may like this 3D printing more than I like the t-shirt printing. So this is what I'm having right here. Some burritos. Just something quick and easy for over here. So I'm just gonna toss 3 of them in here. And I only have 2 left. So next time I'll only have 2 of them in there. So we're gonna put that thing on 20 minutes right here. Oh, and while it's here in my face, I'm gonna show y'all this right here. My mom has this she has this what do you call it? Tool, whatever, however you pronounce it, that she was trying to sell at the garage sale, but she didn't sell. So she is wanting to sell this tool. So if y'all are interested, let me know. I told her that when she get a chance, when she's free, to just come over here and I can try to go live and sell it, because I don't really know what to sell it for. I don't really know what she want for it. I don't know nothing about that. So I'm gonna let y'all see right now. I'm printing on the 3D printer. I am always printing something, y'all. I print every day, multiple things a day. And that's what we got going on right now. That's what we're printing. So I'm printing something for my oldest son. Oh, let me show y'all what I printed the other day. So I'm gonna put y'all on this tripod real quick, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I printed just yesterday, because I'm printing every day, y'all. I'm really printing every day. So voila, this is what I printed right here. So I'm going to let me see. I'm trying to get this to stay right here. Okay, so I'm doing another unboxing right here. So we're gonna see how well this thing works. All right, it works pretty good. It works pretty good. So right here, y'all see what I got right here? Another thing of filament. All right, so this is some, it don't even have what color it is on here. It's like a flesh tone right there, as you see. So that's what I've been trying to do, is upgrade and get every color that I can, that I think I'm gonna use, that I may possibly use. So let's see, right here. Yeah, this thing, it works pretty good. And I don't have to worry about cutting myself unless I go real hard when I try. All right, so right here, I'm gonna let y'all see what we got right here. Look at those colors. Look at those colors I have right here. So I'm going to pull them out. These are supposed to be all, hold up. Wait a minute. This is not, and then look, y'all, this is damaged right here. Y'all see that? This might get sent back because it's not the color that, I thought this was silk PLA, which is supposed to be like the shiny. And this is not. This does not look shiny. That was not what I was expecting right there. So that may end up going back. I'm going to have to see. Okay, so right here I do have, this is supposed to be like a copper color shiny PLA. But this does not look, this looks a lot like what I already have over here. It's a darker color. It's not the exact same color, but it really is not looking like what I was expecting it to look like. And then we have right here, this is it's supposed to be gold. I thought it was like a gold color. On the dang on screen, it looked completely different. This is really like a yellow, and I thought it was more like a gold because on the screen they make it look gold. And I already have yellow, so I don't know, y'all. I kind of didn't get exactly what I was looking for with these three right here. This one, I think it's good because it's not the same color as the other two that I have that were brown. And this was listed, and this right here, it was either listed as like light brown or khaki or something like that. Or no, this was actually listed as beige. It was listed as beige. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and grab the other ones out of here, the other colors, and just kind of compare it. So I'm going to show y'all my drawer in a minute. So I do like these, but I do not like that this is kind of bent up right here. I don't really like that. I asked for it to be shipped in the Amazon packaging. It was shipped in Amazon packaging, but not from Amazon because it does not have the Amazon tape on it. And when I ordered it, it said it was shipping from Amazon. But these are the three colors that I have. Let me try to make sure y'all can see them. These are three browns that I have. Yeah. So I'm going to hopefully real soon be printing out something real nice to show you guys. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure you stay tuned if you don't want to miss out on that. But that's all I got for you. I just been using this 3D printer a lot. That's mostly what I've been doing and working out with my new 15 acquired daughters. So, but I appreciate y'all watching. If you like the video and look forward to seeing more 3D printing videos, let me know down below in the description. And if you have a 3D printer, let me know down below what printer you have. If you have thought about getting a 3D printer, let me know. Let me know down below. And also let me know why you didn't get a 3D printer if you didn't get one. But I will see you in the next episode. But until then, be blessed.